double S, not double R. So for today's video, we will make a DIY air dry clay. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get something to mix in and to mix with. Yes, girl, chopstick. Loy po siya no? And then don't forget to prepare also a teaspoon. Dali, girl. Kuha na yun, girl. Ano ka lang yan? O, kana. Sus, perfect ba? Let's add 4 teaspoon of cornstarch, then mix, and then 2 teaspoon of lotion. Alternative would maybe conditioner. Then, yan. I-mix natin. Oh, i-circle, girl. I-circle. Ay, huwag dyan yung i-circle. Okay. Okay na na. Sige, gora na na. And that's it. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And bye!